Tomorrow was crazy.
Today, you can see my hair looking like this, all basic. And then tomorrow, my hair looking like proper hotness.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're an old comer, welcome back. If you're a newcomer, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're waiting for you.
Guys, like she said, welcome back to our channel. Today, as you can see, we have some very funny looking braids on. So basically this is what we do after we've had a wash. Okay, we just allow our hair to dry about 90%, and then well, let me say 95%. So when it's almost dry, and then usually what I would do with her and also myself is to spritz with a mixture of about a cup of drinking water, 10 drops of tea tree oil, and 15 drops of tea tree oil, and then about 10 drops of lavender. Lavender is not really doing anything, I just like the smell. And then shake, and then spritz. Yeah. And then put it in these braids. So we put it in the braids when it's almost dry, because you do not want mold. If you put the braids in too early, the locks might not dry completely, especially for my locks that are a bit on the bigger side. Hers are way tinier than mine, as you'll see in a bit. So we've had these braids in for 2 days, right? Yeah. So 2 tips I'm going to give you. One, if you want your curls to last longer, right,
You need to leave them.
You need to leave them in for as long as you can. So we've had them in for 2 days, or at least over 48 hours.
I wonder if it was cold, because it doesn't take that much time for braids.
Yeah. So I mean, if you're pressed for time, 8 hours should do. But my experience has been that when I leave my braids in for just about 8 hours, the curls turn out okay, but they don't last that long. So the longer you want your curls to last, the longer you want to leave your braids in. And there are many ways of doing it. This is our way, just because it's easy to do, right? The second tip is, you very quickly notice that because her locks are much tinier, she has just about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, she has just 8 braids. I need many more to get the same degree of definition. Oh, she's helping me count. So 26, 27,
28,
29. So I have 29 braids.
I have
As
8.
compared to her 8. Okay, so yeah, that's, I guess, another advantage of having tinier locks.
Yep.
You can get better curl definition by just throwing in 8, maximum 12 braids into your hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to go off camera, and then we're going to take our braids out. So I'm helping Olomachi loosen the tips of hers. And then she can continue. These days she wants to do her hair care by herself, and I'm very encouraging of that. I also can't wait until she starts doing my own reties. That will be like heaven.
Or even
if she can't do my own reties, if she can, the sooner she can start doing her own reties, the better for all concerned. And in case you're wondering, we call it a mistiller. So what we use it for is just to part the hair, get straight lines. In this instance, I'm using it to loosen the tips of her hair because they're tighter, and that's a good texture shot.
I need to
for
see.
you.
I need to see.
So
it's hard to bend while you're working.
We'll be right back when we're done. So
Well, literally doing this.
So what we're going to do is, and I don't know if you guys can see this, this is just a bit of coconut oil. Excuse my badly chipped nails. I'm in sore need of a manicure. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to coat our hands with some coconut oil, and then we'll take the braids down. So we are back, and you can see our curls.
What I call from hotness.
And you can see my own curl definition. You can see my own curl definition as compared to hers. And remember that she had just 8 braids in.
This was very short for me to do. Very short than this.
It took an eternity.
It took like 1 hour to do this. Yes.
It took an eternity to take all my braids out. We took our braids out in like 5 minutes or less. But even with both of us losing my braids, it took quite a long time.
1 hour.
Which would explain why, I very rarely put my hair in curls. In the interest of...
Me too.
That's Michelle. Michelle, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Michelle. All right. Bye, Michelle. In the interest of full disclosure, my daughter will tell you, I very, very rarely wear curls in my hair. Most times my hair is in a top knot on top of my head. But my daughter, she quite frequently wears curls. Maybe in a month, she could wear curls maybe like 4 times.
I look like
or 3 times. And so what we'll do to preserve our curls is just to, I don't know if you can see, this is a double-lined satin bonnet.
And when I was 4 years old, I called this thing silly hat.
Oh yeah, she calls it. So we all started calling it a silly hat, but it's a double-lined, double-sided satin bonnet. I got this in 2019, sorry.
Good.
So we've had them for a good, exactly 3 years actually. Yeah, so whenever we have our hair in curls, if we're trying to preserve our curls, we'll just throw these on to sleep at night. And they should be reasonably intact in the morning. The honest truth of the matter is, we hardly ever wear these. Can we be honest? Because the way Abuja heat is, you can see me sweating. The way Abuja heat is set up,
it's not the perfect time for wearing satin bonnets.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, in the last couple of days, to be honest, though, the weather has cooled down considerably.
Yes, it's been freezing.
It's quite cool.
Right.
Yeah, it's quite cool today. But on a good day in Abuja, this is like from January
everybody's just
through
sweating.
December. It's hot.
Everybody's just sweating.
And everybody's sweating. So, and the nights can be especially hot at certain times of the year. So, wearing these, so most times I just put my hair up in a top knot, and she just pretty much sleeps like this. So, I haven't had any problems with length. Nor has she. Yeah. But I think that the reason why is that if you notice that the things that we wear, the clothes that we wear are very, they're not the kind of fabric that you would get lint off of, right? There's no such thing as sweater weather in Abuja.
No, we do not do winter.
So there really isn't anywhere to pick the lint off of. Even our bedding is like, usually about this kind of, the same fabric, 100% cotton. So we haven't had a problem with lint. And when I say lint, I'm talking about the dictionary version of lint. That's that. I don't want this video to be too long. We really just wanted you guys to see what a braidout would look like.
Hotness.
What a braidout would look like on different sizes of locks. Like I said,
on different numbers of locks.
Yeah. She has over 600 and I have just over 200. So you could get a nice braid out either way. And I just want to turn her around so you guys can see the back of her hair, what that looks like.
In the front of my hair is my scalp, so it doesn't need to separate the front of my hair. Oh yeah.
Okay, and with that we come to the end of our video. If you like watching our content and if you've enjoyed yourself so far, Please feel free to subscribe, join the tribe, like this video, comment down below. And we'll be back next Friday.
And stay blessed.
Stay blessed. Bye.